We bring you a brand new tool, automatic scanner for small and medium pipe welds. Make weld detection easier and more accurate. Suitable for Phi 60mm to Phi 1219mm pipes. Easily cope with the demand for unilateral double-sided inspection of girth welds. Unique design for easy operation. The wheels on both sides of the chain link can be pulled apart quickly. No tools are needed for disassembly and assembly, saving time and improving efficiency. Wireless remote control speed regulation, easy and comfortable forward and backward operation. Handy with both quick checks and precise operation. Now, we install the electric chain scanner on the Phi 325mm pipe. Conduct weld inspection. Get weld inspection data in real time. Every inspection is clear and reliable. Efficient, convenient, and safe. The automatic scanner for small and medium pipe welds helps pipe detection to be more efficient and accurate. Make your pipeline weld inspection work easier and your inspection more secure.